Hello and welcome to softexpert. Today in this video we will explore the best and powerful WooCommerce add-ons for Elementor, which is Ultimate Store Kit. This free plugin lets you design product pages, single product pages, cart, checkout, my account pages for both WooCommerce and easy digital downloads plugin. Besides that, you can easily create a product grid, carousel or slider, product category grid or carousel, product tabs and so on. And this plugin even comes up with an exclusive theme builder that we will discuss later on in this video. And let's have a look at the plugin demo, then we will see how to install and use this plugin. And to get started, just follow the first link in the description. It will take you to this page. Here you can see powerful WooCommerce builder add-on for Elementor. Build and design online stores from scratch with WooCommerce and easy digital downloads plugin. The all-in-one WordPress WooCommerce plugin. Let's scroll down. This plugin has 80 plus widgets, this month downloads, and active installation and upcoming templates. You can see Elementor based WooCommerce builder. So by using free Elementor you can design pages like these. So creative store design, easy shop builder plugin, and single product page builder, checkout and account page. Then as mentioned earlier, there are 80 plus widgets available. Some are free and some are pro. All these are free, okay? And why to choose this? This is cost effective. So by using free Elementor you can achieve everything that you need in Elementor Pro. And unbeatable performance, super fast and so on. Let's explore some of its demos. So I'll scroll up and we'll click explore demos. So again, this is a freemium plugin, means that it has both free and pro version, okay? Here you can scroll down and you can switch to free. Now all these will be available in free Elementor, okay? And these are freemium, all 70. Let's switch to free and let's explore a few of these. Let's say brand carousel. And this is the first demo, which is basically a logo, slider or carousel, okay? So brand carousel. If you need something like this for your store, you can use this plugin. Next up, this is a grid for the logos. Then we have cart page demo, checkout page, and this is for easy digital download plugin, okay? So you can display your digital products in this type of carousel. View detail, purchase, this is a grid. These are featured boxes, so you can have something like this for your products as well. This is another demo. And this is WooCommerce product carousel with wish list, quick view, add to cart, title, images, and this is a carousel. This is another one, and so on. Again, this will be possible with using free plugin and free Elementor. This is a glossy grid. So if you want to display your product in this format, you can use this plugin. And another demo, and so on, and another one, you can keep any of these looks for your products, okay? And product accordion, you can display your products under accordion, okay, like these. And product category grid. So if you want to display your product categories in this format, you can use this plugin. This is another look and another one. By the way, these are completely customizable, so you can change the typography, colors and so on. And the list will go on. I can't cover all these in the short video. Well, I was just giving you the idea, okay? Product list demo, so you can have product lists like these, and another grid, and another carousel. Now let's see how we can install and use this plugin and how we can get all these things for free. So I'll close this. Now to download this plugin, follow the second link in the description and it will take you to this page from where you can download this plugin. Just click download and you will get a zip file like this. Now you just need to upload this to your WordPress. and we will be using this sample website. This is by using Blocksy theme. This is the default look of the products. This is fine, but let's change this to something attractive. For that, we will go to its dashboard, and to upload the plugin, we will go to plugins, add new, upload plugin, and here we can upload that file. So just click downloads and drag it over here, or you can click choose file and select the plugin. Okay, open it and install now. Let's activate it, and once you activate the plugin, you will see a new tab here, Ultimate Store Kit. Just go there and you will see a similar dashboard to Elementor Kit plugin. Means that this plugin is coming from the same company, which is BD Themes. Okay, here you can go to Woocommerce widgets or Easy Digital Downloads plugin and other widgets. Now in this video we are using Elementor and Woocommerce, so I'll go to Woocommerce widgets. Here I can enable and disable the widgets that I need, or I can just activate all, then scroll down and save changes. Once you save changes, you can go and edit any page with Elementor. So let's go to pages and let's edit home page with Elementor. We will close this, scroll down where we have these products. Now if I edit this, you can see this is just a shortcode coming from the theme. Okay, now let's design a product grid using that plugin. So for that I'll click on this plus and we'll search for grid. So here you can see Florence grid, glossy grid, and all these. You can check the demos from the plugin page and you can use the one that you need. For now let's use this one, and I got the glossy grid, which is far better from this one. I have badge, 13% off, add to wishlist, quick view, add to cart, the title, price, and rating. And that's not it. We can further customize this here in the Elementor itself. So if you want to change the style to a list, you can go here and make it list. Let's switch back to grid. You can change the number of columns here. Okay, and this is the column gap, which is this spacing, the row gap, which is this one. Then we have the alignment. So if I make it center, you can notice here the image resolution, so you can change it. And then column filter, if I enable it, you will see this column filter where a customer can have different looks like list, grid, and this grid, and so on. Okay, this is fine, so let's keep it. Pagination, so here you can display pagination if you want to, like this. Okay, which will load more products. Let's hide it for now, and let's go to query, where you can customize the query. So the source will be products. You can have manual selection, current query, or related. Okay, then this is the product limit. Now we are displaying 9 products, but I want to have 8, so now we have 8 products. And you can even include and exclude products by authors and terms. Okay, so you can display different categories or something, and so on. Then date, order by, order, show products, and all these are self-explanatory. Let's scroll down. Additional option. For the content we are using H3, which is fine. And for the badges, you can enable and disable the sale badge, the percentage badge, and all these. Okay, so it's up to you. Let's disable sale just to show you. Okay, that's it. Now to further customize these things like the colors, the typography, the badges, you can switch to style tag, where you can make changes to the column filter, like to its colors, to its hover colors, and so on. Let's change our colors to this green color. Now you can see it. And the count result, which is this one, for which you can change the color and the typography. Items, so the background type, which is this one, and the border radius and padding, which is the spacing. Okay, for the content, so you can change this background, the border type, and the padding, and all these. This is the image settings. For the title, let's say we want to change its color. Okay, and hover color, and then same goes for the price. Let's change its color. I am just showing you. Okay, This is the regular price. So let's go back and the sale price. Okay, and then rating. So the 5-star rating, the badges. So you can change the sale badge background color to something like this. Okay, and also the action button where we have the wishlist, quick view and cart, these buttons. So you can customize these as well. So these things are very simple, so I'm not going in much detail. You can play around these values and colors and typography. So this was how you can create a product grid. Now let's say we want to create a carousel instead of this grid. So I can click on this plus, I will search for carousel, and we have a number of carousel like a slider, Florence carousel, glossy carousel and so on. Let's use this one. So I got the same products but in the carousel format. Again, I can make changes to its layout and looks here on this page. Okay, by the way, these products are coming from the dashboard where we can add products. I'll show you later on. Okay, lastly, let me show you slider as well. Here we have even slider, image hotspot and meta slider. So let's use this one. So this will display one product at a time, but this is a slider as well. Okay, you can notice here. So a very cool slider using free Elementor. So this was how you can create a product grid, carousel or slider. As I mentioned, you can use this plugin for both Woocommerce and Easy Digital downloads. And also by using this plugin, we can create product pages, my account page, cart page, thank you page and so on. So if you want me to cover those topics of this plugin as well, then make sure to show some interest in this video and let me know in the comments if you want more videos about this plugin. So again, this was Ultimate Store Kit plugin. The link will be given in the video description. You can explore the demos and then you can install and use the plugin. And for more such videos, you can follow my channel. And still, if there were any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next.